Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a unique item that's part of Japanese culture here as we get near to the end of the year here. If you happen to get a chance to visit Japan right at the end of the year, then you'll probably see these kinds of things everywhere. It's common as we get close to the new year to have little charms and things displayed in your entryway to recognize what the new year is. So for example, 2019 is the year of the boar. So they have these cute little figures that you can buy that you can then put on display in front of your entryway. Usually when people open their front door, there's a place to put shoes, and it's like a really thin, narrow, long kind of cabinet, and on top of it is then the place to arrange certain things if you like. So there's a little stand for you to put these guys on. This is a plastic. I got a really cheap one of this. This was $5, 500 yen for this, but you get this little guy here. And this one, you know, I have like hints if you don't understand what the kanji says and stuff. You have hints sometimes with the pictures to know if it's right side up or upside down. That helps a little bit. But there's these cute little guys, this little ceramic figurine of this little boar. I think he's cute with his little butt and everything. There's lots of different versions. This one has this little gold guy and then this pretty little kind of creamy color. And sometimes their faces and things can be a little strange. Other times they're very cute. So there was another one that had like a mommy boar and two baby boars, which is so adorable because the babies are so cute with those little stripes on their back. But of course, we don't particularly like boars here because they bug our garden all the time. We have some living behind our house, and they come down and they dig up all the bugs under the trees, and then all the trees fall over. So that's kind of crazy. but it's always a fun thing to have to kind of welcome in the new year in Japan. Our new year starts on January 1st, and we start celebrating that particular animal for that new year by putting out these kinds of things. Now, if you don't want to tie yourself down to one particular year, you can also buy like a whole set of all 12 of the zodiac animals, and then you can rotate through which one you need. There's also other images that are popular for bringing in good luck for the new year, especially the boat with the 7 gods and goddesses on it that bring good luck and fortune in Japanese culture. So that's one thing. Things like a good luck cat, a maneki neko, or other kinds of imagery like that. That's more like general that you could buy at any time. But if you happen to be here during this time of year, you'll see giant displays of these guys. And there's all sorts of different versions of them, you know. These are just your standard simple ceramic type. There are some that are made from silk, like the silk that's used for kimonos and stuff that we use in crafting too. So lots of different options for sure. Big, small, some that are bells. That's always good luck to have a bell along with it. Any of those things. Now, you don't want to put it out yet. You have to wait till the new year. That's, kind of bad luck. So you want to wait until the new year and then put it out, switch it out fast so that you're not still honoring last year's animal. But so it's kind of a cool thing to kind of, if you happen to be here. But it is only available, during that time of year. Now, other general good luck things that you put in your genkan or entryway could be available all year long if you go to the right kind of a shop. And that's where you might find good luck cats and other things like that. So can be a really cute sort of thing to look into if you guys are visiting. So, and, if you happen to be visiting during a year that's important to you because it happens to be your animal or a friend's animal, then that's always a bonus. So I wanted you guys to see that. I'll have some more kind of fun things like this to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.